Monday, my catch order say, and they assembly cabinet at the brown Monday to Friday. Acquisition at the brown. Your may coso, ye Ghana, dear, so there's all there's all do a drink share, but dear hinter in ano, ye the brown one say, my pony this year, a bush paying over 8 a year in fee, and a fee, or say you'll be equally, and or say you'll be a doye. Court to 7 of any agro, compared to the big Caribbean or do court. The same way presidential staffer. And also a Jubilee House correspondent. And we pay 3rd of April. Mama you enjoying it. Suppose is not Pierre or him and residing. Yen Cambo near Marcos Aquab. Agozi? Aquaba. Oh, Nipanche. Not the Shembra sister. Oh, Nipanche, not the Shembra sister. And I tell him, I was a baby show a friend. Oh, Nipantina Chiasem. Okay. Sanka nipa piano unam na to a chiasma when ona god was a good season zim ni na yakwaba you just enjoy weekend yes I was expecting me the me that Badwam any problem bia any problem say nipa de wo do ho tu nipa so a enipa be du hwambo de bia da me ka kire o ya wi go say asem di kan Oh, Baba God, yeah. Oh, Adom. Yeah, yes, my happy birthday. Yes. No, yes, or that's it. Say, obey Casepa. Or that's a pa. I don't permit to send out only a fear book be sure about Galamsey for be a place for pa or mocho. Hey, you the guy. Yeah. Yes, that's a part of my video now. You have to see in church. I did see and they are not. I see, I think some few weeks ago. Some few weeks ago. Guys, your mujage na please for us to page. Cause please for the trintromono, nes I'm ranty. But please for the neighbor be AC. I don't want to believe say any fast war. That about quickly my please for statement no. Yeah, pictures and videos ne should be okay. 4 people are arrested for attacking police in the western region. And alleged case of extortion referred to the Police Professional Standards Bureau for investigation. How can first point now? So on 9th March 2023, the Asem Divisional Police Patrol Team reported an attack on the team by a gang that seized the magazine of a service rifle together with some mobile phones belonging to the police service. Okay. 18 from point 1 to point 7. Ye nim baby and police for na gang ne ka attack no more. What were they doing? Because social police statement yeah fa and same say be hu nyina APP the recent one being Ashama there no. Please for chronicle yeah. Actually that say wait this year. But all your statement here as you two every fin. I shall say bomb. 9th March 2023, Asem Divisional Police Patrol Team. Omo hu say tata posifobi any pebi ensem fata ana ho asema ba ana bam no na police for no way. Sa police for no can no way. No mo call patrol. No mo call patrol. No mo ye day. Ni e say ni pebi ntimi emfa kwati kwan ene Ghana mra no enye no ma ensem fa. O ba na Adom na be kan. Hwe no krom ye say si enye ready for Galamsey fighter. Ye nya skada di shem ne first kan nya de fro. Ye ready. Yes, ye ready. Ye nyai. The fight against Galamsey. Ye na mo kasa. Oba because enana ne ye ka, o say the same Western region ne ye ka na ka say. There are some bigger heads behind. And here ku ye ni me the mama for with the bigger heads behind Galamsey ye kwaso Asem Nzema East ekroni nyina kasa mu. That's evaluate your constituency. The Western region akasa. Epenfu ehemu ama Galamsey kono aye den and the first now o ma say wo hwe Galamsey ko a ye chance ye kunya ba bi ya ko aba bedu no ekono in the western region aye more difficult than any other region. Why? Because one deputy minister if Mrekudu Kasem na okay.
And second deputy minister fee.
The fight against Galamsey in the 13 regions of Ghana is more difficult in the western region than any other region.
Complicated, Anna.
And you're complicated because you need more than a say complicated. You need more.
I don't say no.
And you're both for and
Ghana for this year.
Ghana from penny for Ghana for this year. Ghana from penny for and the territory.
I saw for a man for a mabunu, one a businessman, one a DJ.
And the MCE war in Sima East. Honorable Dorcas Elizabeth Amua. And now come now 70 CN. My friend and you 7 p.m. I know say I say please for video na aka one Asem na. And I'm saying so me nim say Galamsey Asem. And I'm a warn statement back. And I say okay. O my kasa no ma me ba beje chinam say honorable. Ni ankrofo kan say wo Elizabeth Amua.
Oya Galamsey.
Oka Galamsey. Ona aboa Galamsey phone. Or they akwasi hello. And I'm sort of me talk. Then we answer phone nakati.
It's a network problem, so you should have called back.
And no free back. And I say akwasi metikamu. It's my minu fe na me fro. And no bo 8 1 hour later and I'm so free. That you is our friend. Your friend almost better 12 times. And your friend a close ally. As one draw on our attention see a friend. Epepem ne kwabenti ona bunkembiem.
A DC for
yes, in Zima East. And now I'm seeing one evidence me sir.
Mami,
me ne kasa phone so. Me come because me ne kasa phone so ntina me kan no. Me want evidence me sir. I said we see and never be your kind and me never twitwa kakra. Ono me say ka obiam so say enkomo bi e wakwa ni ba bi no so yate. Yes sir ka table ko na unim se di pa na kasa no record o. President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, Honorable Elizabeth Dorcas Amua should be sacked.
Sacked?
Yes. MC for Zima East should be sacked. Some penis near brepa say or pursue 2 Galamsey dia. The woman should be sacrificed. Now we are special prosecutor will interest you more. This woman should be prosecuted.
Badwam with information.
Yes. The Zima East MC should be prosecuted. Say do na be ye di na phone abobo mu di wo phone interview no so no. A phone conversation no so no. Obeka anu atu wo ho dia e na etoji wa.
Wow.
NPP Western Regional Chairman. Hweye. Chairman. Me say now me catch now. Asem kan enye ba hofo na aka. Daddy ani kwa tatatos do ba betre fidue so e kan ye. Ese Galamsey kuna ye di ni nyina free MPP for. Professor Papa in the former
what?
Yes.
Report what?
E be kan say abamu penfo na ma Galamsey kun ayeden. O man ye kan obia si wasanity. Ye kan obia si wasanity. And some crofue na ma eye ankobra nsuo no eni entie etina no a honorable kudu ka mo so mo call ba bia ko se ba bia ate no man san ko bi se funu ne asatia
ba bia kase ani
yes on san ko bi se funu ne asatia and ya awra ho ye say Western Regional Minister ewo ho Honorable George Mrekuduka Deputy Minister for Lands and Natural Resources ewo hodom and so still Galamsey we Western Region and no di chao ba bia Ghana no.
The fight is bigger than the minister.
The fight is not bigger than him.
He knows it.
The fight is not bigger than him.
But
the fight has become bigger because some of them have chosen to compromise themselves.
Some of them.
Yes, in the fight. A police for a te Azim nimpotamu nyina. Almost request a kwako Galamsey. Omo kwako hwe. Ko jisi kadi ababetenase. Please for a Galamsey. E wazi. One kwako hwe. A police for a te Azim. A police for what Azim. Omo ko Galamsey bia. Okono akwako jisika. Na ye bo Galamsey for ho ban. E wazi ni nimpotamu.
Illegal miners.
Illegal miners. Now, please watch a mufti. I show would a Monica. Sao tribe. I could have two Galamsey for home by. Dear, win. yesu ani asa to sika de gu ye den sika se yakwa na be de nko IMF because kaka na ye nya na yesi ni makwa branem eso onyi fa mo yensuo ye japade ho ban no nipa da sani agi sika e de sika ni nyina enwunugu.
All right, Akwasi, I understand such na na otwe dwumadi apese odini no. Edbisia eno aka no. Se kona epese yakutia illegal mining. Yankasa legal mining. Ekona epese yakutia illegal mining. Minu nyina say aware that. We know the deal. Edbisia, but it's sad. Fred the nipa bi na posifo kra ebu nkotodwe. Posifo na ebu nkotodwe na me cameraman de say na me de medai ya. Edamwase yeko Professor Ike wala seba.